Okay, hiya. What is hiya? Hiya as a Filipino value is what? Best described as what? So C as the answer. Bakit C? So a sense of initiative is willingness to take the first step or act without being told. Counterpart naman siya ng hiya. No? Fear of authority. Sige, gagawin mo lang isang bagay kasi takot ka, no? Takot kang mapunish ka. Okay. Insecurity, inferiority is wrong because feeling of low self-worth or lack of confidence. Okay? Magkaiba naman yung insecure ka and inferior ka, no? Rather than sa value system natin ng hiya. Hiya reflects on sensitivity to social norms and other perception. So, awareness of one's action affects others' behavior or affects others behaving properly. So, hindi mo na lang sasabihin yung nasa isip mo, no, yung reasoning mo kasi nahihiya ka. Okay? Sige, saan ba to nanggaling? How hiya or kapwa and other cultural values play a role in Filipino-American mental health, no? Hiya is also both by studied by Virgilio Enriquez and Landa Juan Hucano, no, as a form of social property in Filipino culture. So parte siya ng ating kultura.